There is no guarantee what I shall become in my next life. That depends on my work, because the whole body is given by the material nature. It is not made according to my order supply. Prakrite kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvasa. You are given a chance to act here, but according to your act, it will be judged what you are going to have in your next life. That is your problem. No, don't make this life of 50 years, 60 years or 70 years or 100 years as all in all. You have got a continuous life of transmigration from one body to another. It is going on. You must know that. And here is a chance to stop this nonsense of transmigrating from one body to another and suffer the material misery. Here is a chance.